Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the all-new Google Pixel 8 Pro. From AI-powered photography to top-tier performance, we'll explore what makes this device a contender for the best smartphone of 2024. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. 1. Design build quality premium feel. The Pixel 8 Pro comes with a polished aluminum frame and matte glass back, giving it a sophisticated look. Colors available in obsidian, porcelain, and bay. Weight at 213g, it feels slightly heavier, but the balance and grip are comfortable. Display 6.7-inch Super Actua OLED with 2992x1344 resolution, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate LTPO ensures smoother scrolling and better battery efficiency. Peak brightness 2400 nits for perfect outdoor visibility, making it one of the brightest displays on the market. 2. Performance software processor powered by Google's custom Tensor G3 chip, focusing on AI capabilities and performance, faster than its predecessor with improved GPU and better power efficiency. RAM storage 12GB RAM with 128GB, 256GB, and 1TB storage options. Software experience runs Android 14 out of the box with exclusive Pixel features. Google promises 7 years of software updates, setting a new standard for longevity. Enhanced AI features in Google Assistant, including personalized voice commands. 3. Camera capabilities. Triple camera setup. Main sensor 50 megapixel with OIS, perfect for capturing sharp, high contrast images. Ultra-wide 48 megapixel, offering more field of view without compromising quality. Telephoto lens 48 megapixel with 5x optical zoom and up to 30x super res zoom. AI photography tools. Magic Editor, easily edit photos with object removal and background replacement. Best Take feature combines multiple photos to create the perfect group shot. Night sight, faster and more refined for low light photography. Video capabilities. Supports 4K video at 60 FPS on all cameras with HDR. 4. Battery life and charging. Battery 5050 mAh battery provides all-day battery life, even with heavy usage, charging 30-watt wired charging and 23-watt wireless charging support. Google claims 50% charge in just 30 minutes with its official charger. Battery saver modes. Adaptive battery extends life by learning usage patterns. 5. Connectivity and additional features. 5G connectivity with improved network performance. Face unlock and under-display fingerprint sensor offer flexible unlocking options. Temperature sensor, a unique addition. Users can measure surface temperatures, though its utility is still being explored. IP68 water and dust resistance for added durability. 6. Pricing and availability. Priced at $999 for the base model, competing directly with other flagships like the iPhone 15 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S24. Available in most regions with carrier deals and pre-order bonuses like free Pixel Buds or discounts on accessories. 7. Pros, cons. Pros: exceptional camera performance, stunning display with high brightness, long-term software support 7 years. Cons: no significant design changes compared to previous models. Tensor G3 still lags behind Apple's A17 or Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in raw performance. 8. Final verdict. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is a photography powerhouse and a solid all-rounder. If you're into AI-powered photography, long software support, and smooth performance, this phone is hard to beat. However, if raw power or heavy gaming is your priority, other options might serve you better. What do you think? Would you choose the Pixel 8 Pro? Let us know in the comments. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.